Welcome. In this video, we'll learn the proper way to add the figures in MS Word documents. Although it's very simple to add the figures in MS Word, but still we need to know some tricks so that we can add the figures properly. Here I have one sample report with the title, contents, table of contents, and two chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2. In general, in most of the scientific documents, figures are added either at the top or bottom of the pages, and we will do the similar things. Here in chapter 1, I want to add one figure at the bottom, and in chapter 2, I want to add one figure at the top. We will do this. So first I'll add one figure at the bottom of this page, at this place. There are multiple ways to add the figure. One simple way is that we can copy and paste. Other one is that we can drag and drop this way, and the third one is that we can use insert option. Go to insert, pictures, and use this device. Choose the image, insert. This is going to the next page. The reason is that the size is large enough and it cannot remain to the provided area here, but no need to worry, we will adjust. Before keeping this figure at the right place, we will add the caption. It is strongly suggested that you should not use the caption manually. You should not write manually. Otherwise, you will not be able to create a list of figures automatically, and also you will not be able to create cross-referencing. Plus, whenever you have to add some figures or delete, then in that condition you will have to change the number, which will be very tedious. But before adding the caption, we will use wrap text option so that we can move this figure, otherwise we cannot move. See, so just select the image, right click of the mouse, wrap text, choose top and bottom, choose this one, and also set the spacing before figure and after figure. Before figure only, wrap text, more layout option, this top and bottom, choose this one. So this figure is going to the bottom, so we need to set the space between figure and text. I'll use only 6 point. In the case when we have to put the figure at the top of the page, then we may have to manage the space between figure and text, but that can be managed from the caption setting, so that is okay. We can add the caption, right click of the mouse, insert caption, make sure that label each figure, put dot symbol if you need after the number, blank space, then put your caption text, reset OK. In our case you may see blue color, so you can change the default setting. Just go to home, styles, caption, press right click of the mouse, modify. From here you can change the font, caption font size 10 point, default will be 9, but I have here already changed. Also just choose this one, justified. For the alignment, go to format, paragraph, indents and spacing. Here the space between caption and text will be 12 point, which is okay. Otherwise you can reduce. The line spacing for the caption will be single, that is okay. Color also can be changed, but this one I don't need. I want black color only, so I'll modify this and I'll use black color. If it is bold, then you can remove the boldface from here, and then change the width of the caption to the page width. A guideline will appear in green color, so just drag this to this place, left side also. Here for the caption text I want a normal font, but for the label I want boldface. Unfortunately there is no setting for this, so just select this and press Ctrl plus B. Also I want to keep this figure in the center, so just select this image, right click of the mouse, wrap text, more layout options, position, then go to alignment, centered, choose this one, relative to page Preset OK. Still we have one problem. If I move this, it is okay, it will move, but caption will remain at the same place. I want to move both, so we can group these two. Select the caption first and holding the control key, select the image, press right click of the mouse, go to group and group them. And then now we can move this to the particular page where you want to print. This is at the bottom. Similarly we will do for the other figure. At this place I want to add, resize the image, right click of the mouse, wrap text, top and bottom. Now move this to the top, to the green line. Also keep this in the center. We can manually do this and put at the center, but it may not be at the exact position. So better to use the option. So right click, wrap text, or directly we can go from here. Click there, see more, alignment, centered, margin, page, add the caption, change the width of the caption, group them by holding the control key so that we can move if needed. Now let us check if I have to put here some content. In that condition, figure should be on the same page and at the top. It should not move, only text should move, even it is moving. Choose the object, press right click of the mouse, wrap text, fix position on page. Choose this and keep this at the top. Now again check, just add some text before in the same para before of this figure. So text is going after the figure and figure is remaining at the same position where we have set. So in this way we can lock the position of the figure either at the top or bottom. It will not move, only text will move, and we can simply adjust. We can do the cross referencing once we add the figure and we write the caption. For example, this one, at this place. Here I want to add the cross referencing. In the bracket, I'll put the cursor and then I'll go to references, then cross reference, select figure, entire caption, no need to add entire caption, only label and number, insert there. Alright, similarly we'll do for the other figure, this one. At this place I want to add, so cross reference, choose the figure number, only label and number, insert, close. Alright, then we can create list of figures. So we can insert new page from the layout breaks, this one page, and here we can insert the list of figures. Go to references, insert table of figures. Here there are several formats. Here we can add the title. Just go to the figure 1 left side and press enter. Then go to the top line, write the title, change the style. We can use top heading similar to the contents, this one. We can add this in the table of contents. Just select the title, go to references, then add text, label 1. Now go to table of contents, update this. Alright, so this is the simple way to create the figure and fix the position on a particular page using MS Word. That's all. Thanks for watching.